Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. How can you integrate robotic process automation with existing IT systems? Here are some ways to integrate robotic process automation with existing IT systems. Identify the processes that are suitable for automation and assess the existing IT systems that support them. Determine the best approach for integrating RPA with the existing systems, whether through APIs, connectors, or other methods. Design the RPA workflows to be compatible with the existing IT systems and ensure that they meet the necessary technical requirements. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure that the RPA workflows are functioning as intended and that they do not disrupt existing systems. Ensure that the RPA workflows are scalable and can accommodate changes to the existing systems over time. Provide training to personnel on how to use and interact with the RPA workflows and how they integrate with the existing systems. Monitor the integration and maintain it regularly to ensure that it remains effective and efficient over time. How can you integrate robotic process automation with AI technologies? Here are some ways to integrate robotic process automation with AI technologies. Identify the processes that could benefit from AI technologies, such as natural language processing or machine learning. Determine the best approach for integrating RPA with AI, whether through APIs, custom code, or third-party tools. Design the RPA workflows to be compatible with the AI technologies and ensure that they meet the necessary technical requirements. Train the AI models with relevant data to ensure that they are accurate and effective. Develop rules and decision trees to guide the AI's decision-making process. Integrate the AI models with the RPA workflows to automate complex decision-making processes. Monitor the integration and maintain it regularly to ensure that it remains effective and efficient over time. Integrating RPA with AI can provide many benefits, such as increased accuracy, efficiency, and scalability, as well as the ability to handle more complex processes. What are the benefits of integrating robotic process automation with AI technologies? Integrating robotic process automation, RPA, with AI technologies can provide several benefits, such as improved accuracy. AI can help to improve the accuracy of RPA by providing advanced decision-making capabilities, such as natural language processing and machine learning. Increased efficiency. RPA can automate repetitive, manual tasks, while AI can handle more complex decision-making processes, allowing organizations to streamline their operations and reduce costs. Scalability. RPA and AI can work together to handle large volumes of data and tasks, allowing organizations to scale their operations as needed. Enhanced customer experience. By using AI to analyze customer data, organizations can personalize their services and provide a more seamless customer experience. Faster decision-making. By automating complex decision-making processes, organizations can make faster, more informed decisions. Improved data analysis. AI can help organizations to analyze large volumes of data, identify patterns and insights, and make data-driven decisions. Increased innovation. By automating routine tasks, RPA and AI can free up personnel to focus on more innovative, strategic projects. Overall, integrating RPA with AI can help organizations to increase efficiency, improve accuracy, and drive innovation, resulting in significant business benefits. How can you monitor the performance of automated processes? Here are some ways to monitor the performance of automated processes. Set performance metrics. Define the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will be used to measure the success of the automated process. This could include metrics such as throughput, error rates, or processing time. Use monitoring tools. Implement monitoring tools that can provide real-time visibility into the performance of the automated process. This could include tools such as process monitoring software or network monitoring tools. Establish alerts. Set up alerts to notify personnel when performance metrics fall outside of acceptable ranges. This could include alerts sent via email or SMS. Analyze data. Analyze data collected from the automated process to identify areas for improvement or potential issues. Conduct regular reviews. Conduct regular reviews of the performance of the automated process to ensure that it is meeting business objectives and identify areas for improvement. Use machine learning. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze performance data and identify patterns or anomalies that may indicate issues with the automated process. Continuously improve. Use insights gained from monitoring the performance of the automated process to continuously improve and optimize its performance over time. By monitoring the performance of automated processes, organizations can identify areas for improvement, proactively address issues, and ensure that the automated process is meeting its intended objectives. How can you identify bottlenecks in automated processes? Here are some ways to identify bottlenecks in automated processes. Analyze process maps. Analyze process maps to identify areas of the process that may be causing delays or creating bottlenecks. Process maps can help visualize the flow of tasks and the sequence of events in the process. Collect performance data. Collect performance data, such as processing time, waiting time, or task completion time, to identify areas where the process is slowing down. Conduct root cause analysis. Conduct a root cause analysis to identify the underlying causes of bottlenecks in the process. This could involve reviewing process documentation, talking to personnel involved in the process, or using data analysis tools. Monitor process performance. Monitor process performance using real-time monitoring tools to identify areas where the process is slowing down or experiencing delays. Use process mining. Use process mining tools to analyze the process data and identify bottlenecks in the process flow. Review personnel workload. Review personnel workload to identify areas where personnel may be overburdened, leading to delays in the process. Conduct simulations. Conduct simulations to test different process scenarios and identify potential bottlenecks before implementing changes to the process. By identifying bottlenecks in automated processes, organizations can optimize their processes to reduce delays, increase efficiency, and improve overall performance. What are the best practices for continuous improvement in robotic process automation? Here are some best practices for continuous improvement in robotic process automation, RPA. Define clear objectives. Clearly define the objectives of the RPA initiative and ensure that they align with business goals. Measure performance. Establish performance metrics to measure the success of the RPA initiative and track progress over time. Analyze data. Analyze data collected from the RPA process to identify areas for improvement and potential issues. Conduct regular reviews. Conduct regular reviews of the RPA process to identify areas for improvement and ensure that it is meeting business objectives. Encourage feedback. Encourage feedback from personnel involved in the RPA process to identify areas for improvement or potential issues. Implement continuous improvement processes. Implement continuous improvement processes, such as Lean Six Sigma or Kaizen, to continuously improve the RPA process. Use machine learning. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze performance data and identify patterns or anomalies that may indicate issues with the RPA process. Foster a culture of innovation. Foster a culture of innovation by encouraging personnel to propose new ideas for improving the RPA process and rewarding innovation. By continuously improving the RPA process, organizations can optimize its performance, reduce costs, and drive innovation. How can you measure the effectiveness of continuous improvement efforts in robotic process automation? Here are some ways to measure the effectiveness of continuous improvement efforts in robotic process automation, RPA. Performance metrics. Define performance metrics, such as processing time, error rates, or throughput, to measure the success of the RPA process. Track these metrics over time to assess the impact of continuous improvement efforts. Cost savings. Measure the cost savings achieved through RPA and continuous improvement efforts. This could include reductions in labor costs or improvements in efficiency. Customer satisfaction. Measure customer satisfaction levels to assess the impact of RPA and continuous improvement efforts on customer experience. Process improvement. Track the number of process improvements implemented as a result of RPA and continuous improvement efforts. Personnel feedback. Gather feedback from personnel involved in the RPA process to assess the impact of continuous improvement efforts on their work experience and identify areas for further improvement. Compliance. Monitor compliance with regulations and policies to ensure that RPA and continuous improvement efforts are not creating unintended compliance risks. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.